Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to unlock home plots in Heartopia. So let's dive in. First things first, unlocking home plots is tied directly to your DG or Developers Guild. To check this, you want to open the menu in the top right and tap on Developers Guild. Here, you'll see your current DG level. Your DG level determines how many plots you're allowed to own. For example, at lower levels, you might only be able to buy a few plots. As you level up, like reaching around DG 4, you'll increase your plot limit to about 5 plots. Now, unlocking the plots themselves is easy. While you're still inside the Developer Guild's menu, you want to look for the 4 square tile icon in the top right. It's right over here. You want to tap that and you'll see available plot tiles. Simply select the plot you want, for example, this one. Click purchase, confirm it, and the plot will instantly expand your home area. Just remember, you cannot buy more plots than your DG level allows. If you've already hit your limit, the only way to unlock more plots is by leveling up your DG or your developer's guild. For example, reaching DG level 8 increases your plot limit even further. So to sum it up, level up your developer's guild and check your plot limit and purchase plots from the tile menu. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!